something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezzia. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Hurela Hair. They sent me this gorgeous balayage wig. If you want to find out more details about this unit, continue watching.
You know, with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time. is ticking. Time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open.
We have a 24-inch balayage jerry curl wig. The curls are definitely doing this damn thing. Like, she is looking gorgeous and I'm feeling it. Today we decided to do a deep side part. I did bleach my knots. This wig is in the color FB30. It is more of a brassy tone wig, but let me tell you, it is gorgeous in this jerry curl pattern. This wig is definitely brassy, but it's cute brassy. It's looking so beautiful on this unit and I really am feeling it. The curls, gorgeous. Not super tight. It's like everything you would want it to be for a curly wig that's highlighted or, you know, balayaged. So there's lots of black throughout the wig. As you guys can see, there's like some black roots, but also there's some black lowlights throughout the hair to give that dimension, which I think is very, very flattering for the unit. I think that levels it up quite a bit, because sometimes we see just like the ombre style highlighted wigs where they don't have like the dark pieces, but the dark pieces really do elevate this wig to make that color pop. As for the density, this is 150. As you guys saw in the styling process, it was completely wet when I put on the wig. That was after I had bleached the knots already, and all we did was dry it with a blow dryer. As I was drying it with the blow dryer, I just kind of like combed through it like this to get it bigger and fuller, and it's pretty big. Like, she can get even fuller if I wanted it to. The quality of the hair is classified as 8A. It is 100% human hair, and of course the frontal is a 13/6. I did cut the ear tabs off before I installed it. As for curly hair products, I used my Shea Moisture conditioner, leave-in conditioner. It really does define the curls. It kind of hydrates the wig and you still have lots of movement without leaving it greasy. I'm going to show you guys the back. I would say the 150% density is perfect. It's all you need for this type of wig. I wouldn't go any fuller personally. This is like the perfect amount of hair. It's really pretty. I'm actually really loving this wig. Just off of my experience with the hair so far, I would say it is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information for Hurela hair in the description box for you guys. I'll catch you in another video. That's it, and bye.